Hello guys, welcome to my day in the life vlog. I feel like I'm really close and there's crap in the background, but let's be real, I'm at home, so yeah. I am filming a day in the life vlog because that's what you asked for on Instagram. So basically this morning I went for a run and I want to show you guys this because I got a message going, haha, cat. And I was like, huh? Cronulla, despite warnings from the police. I thought, oh God, what have I done? And this is what was in the Daily Mail. That is me running, giving a wide berth to others as they passed on the path. Yes, I was, because I literally was dodging people like meow, 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 like meow, 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 the whole time I was running today. How embarrassing. You know, could have made me at least look cute. I wanted to make this a routine because I was literally crying 2 days ago about how much I've just not got a routine and I feel disgusting. As you know, I'm not working at the moment, no TV until the whole day was ended, like a normal day would be if I was working, and no like excessive cleaning and no excessive cooking. So making it into like 1 hour chunks. Let's get straight onto it. Now, this is my day in ISO. So I'm about to start editing one of my videos, and one of the things I did just before this was, oh God, the next door neighbors, dressed as if I was going to work, and I came to my desk where I work. I made sure I opened all the windows and have light in here because I came to my room and all the windows were shut, all the blinds were shut, and it was quite sad and depressing. That obviously makes it not so sad and not so depressing when you're inside all day. If you can work outside, do it. I just prefer to work inside. Oh my gosh, that kid's having way much more fun than me. Just making sure the windows are open, you're getting dressed and ready for work, like you're going to work. Even if you're working from home or you're not working, do something on the computer, read an article, do something. Free study from the government, I think is a really cool initiative. So I'm gonna actually look at that later. But yeah, I'm gonna edit first. Oh. Hey guys, welcome to the vlog.
He looks like a Q-tip, just on House Party with Jimmy Neutron.
What are you guys doing?
Don't be a prick to your mother. How I been a prick? Yeah.
Prep for the whole family. I'm just gonna cook up all these veggies. Yeah, my favorite spices are like cinnamon on pumpkin, not with sugar, paprika on sweet potato fries. All of these have olive oil, obviously, and Tuscan seasoning, which has some sugar and stuff in it, but like you use so minimal, and oregano, basil, and parsley. I kind of just stick to those. They're my favorite. I've never tried anything else. I'm willing, if you know anything else that's yummy, I will try it. But yeah, I'm gonna start cooking and chopping, which I hate. Boxing all of these. These were the cauliflower, then I had pumpkin, the broccoli, sweet potato fries, all the Italian stuff, and the zucchini, kale. I'm literally sitting in my bathroom now after straightening my hair. Whew! Gosh! How? How are we gonna keep doing this? I know it's for the greater good of other humans, and I would never want anyone to be in jeopardy of passing away. Because I felt like crap straightening my hair, because my hair, when I get stressed, stands up like I'm like a demon or something. It's like, I'm like, okay. It's not all fun and games in ISO, and you just gotta like find a positive. So right now, I've painted my nails, I've done my hair, I've made myself feel good. My stomach feels like crap because I ate 5 chocolates today. Probably more, but I've lost count. I'm not gonna be real and be like, oh my god, I'm having so much fun in ISO. And then like listening to what I cried about, it's like, shush. Like, don't cry about that. You're not sick, there's nothing wrong with you, so stop. And then like really leveling my head out, like it's not that bad, like you have nothing wrong with your life. So I tried to turn it around now and look at the positives. That I'm gonna try harder tomorrow, that I'm gonna work out tomorrow, that I'm going to eat healthier tomorrow and have no chocolate because I keep satisfying that need for the last couple of days. And I'm just going to be accountable, and that's how I'm going to turn it around. Because today I did okay for half the day, but the rest of the day was absolute bollocks. And not eat chocolate, I'm going to make a sweet tea with honey because I'm having sugar cravings galore.
Add this into the vlog. Oh my god, I was so depressed in that little part. But this is amazing. So this is like nail envy. Oh my god, that's the ugly short nail. Hold up. Let me just show you the nice long one that's not broken. Nail envy and OPI mixed. So nail envy is like the harden up. OPI bubble bath is a really popular color. This is the oil and the buffer. Now I have had acrylics for years and years. My hands are a little bit dry. I need a cuticle oil, but I've had acrylics for years and years, and this stuff, this little trio is like I think it was $50 in a pack from Myers or David Jones. So definitely get onto this if you are growing your ratchet as nails out. But yeah, they look really bad right now, but they definitely need some cuticle oil. But yeah, this one, ratchet. What is that? This hand's okay as well. They're growing, guys. They're growing.
So now I'm just gonna FaceTime my friend for the night and hang out on FaceTime for a bit because then I'll watch a movie after that.